In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to do a double crochet decrease, or as it's sometimes called, double crochet two together. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn and let's get started. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, a medium weight yarn, and all my tutorials are in US crochet terms. You can use whatever hook size and yarn you have on hand. A double crochet decrease is used to shape projects by reducing the number of stitches in a row. I'm at the beginning of a row of double crochet stitches. I've made a turning chain of 2 and it will not count as a stitch. If your pattern tells you to decrease or double crochet 2 together, you will yarn over, insert your hook under both loops of the stitch, yarn over, and pull through the loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, insert your hook under both loops of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. You'll have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops on your hook. That completes a standard double crochet decrease. Decreases are made the same way, whether you're at the beginning, the middle, or the end of a row. So I'll make a few double crochet stitches and then we'll decrease in the middle of the row. We yarn over, insert our hook under both loops of the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over again, insert your hook and into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last 3 loops on the hook. Let's do one more decrease at the end of the row. I'll double crochet until I get to the last 2 stitches, and then I'll combine these 2 stitches by yarning over, inserting my hook, yarning over and pulling through, yarning over and pulling through 2 loops on the hook, yarning over again, inserting my hook into the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the last 3 loops on the hook. I'll start another row and show you the second way of doing a double crochet decrease. I yarn over, insert my hook under both loops of the stitch, yarn over and pull through, and this is where it changes. Instead of yarning over and pulling through the loops on the hook and then yarning over again before we insert our hook into the next stitch, we simply insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. We now have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 3 of the loops. That leaves 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Let's do that again in the middle of the row. I'll make 2 double crochet stitches and then I'll combine these 2 stitches by yarning over, inserting my hook, yarning over, pulling through, inserting my hook into the next stitch, yarning over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now let's take a look at the stitches. This is the double crochet stitch, and this is the standard double crochet decrease. And this stitch is the double crochet decrease done using the alternative method. The stitch with the alternative method is a lot closer in size to the double crochet stitch than the stitch using the standard double crochet decrease. But as with many things in crochet, there's no right or wrong way to do a double crochet decrease. Choose the one that you like doing or the one that is best suited for your project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please pop them into the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, a thumbs up lets YouTube know it's useful to other left-handed crocheters. And if you'd like more clear left-handed tutorials, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss a new video.